Hey everybody, this is my new boyfriend Terry. Be nice to him. All right, let me introduce the family to you. From left to right, we got Pawpaw, Peepaw, Meemaw, Mamaw, Pop's new wife, Lil Tiny, Cousin Lester, Robbie, Trev Dog, Uncle Kenny. Anyways, and that little devil right there is Huey Lewis.
Oh, well, what a unique name.
I was named after the concert I was conceived at. Ain't nothing funny about the power of love.
Ain't you forgetting someone?
Oh, God.
Who am I, you ask?
I didn't ask.
I'm the size 14 and a half boot you gonna have to fill, boy.
You're a dick.
I'm just jiving with you. Homie, Holmes.
Why are you here, Zach?
Why wouldn't I be?
You weren't invited?
Well, it's a family get-together, ain't it?
Okay, well, I don't want you.
Baby, you are so pretty when you lie.
My phone. I left my phone in the car. So I'm gonna get that.
Before you go, I got one question for you. You like fireworks, don't you?
Yeah.
Come on. So, you got an eye for my Ruby?
Look, we just started talking. I don't want to get in between whatever you two got going on.
Don't worry. You won't. Huey Lewis, come here right quick. You must feel real out of place here, huh?
You get used to it.
That's so. Well, don't get used to this place. You know, this is a powerful weapon, Terry. Each one of these shots can devastate.
You know what? I'm gonna go tell Ruby I'm out of here.
You ever seen A Christmas Story?
What?
You'll shoot your eye out, Ralphie.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
You come into our house and pop a cap into my brother? No, sir. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Talking about?
The black guy just shot HL! Help!
Huey, what are you doing on the ground?
Hey, what happened?
Ruby, I know what it looks like, but I swear I didn't do it.
He shot Huey Lewis in cold blood, and then he sucker punched me in the eye.
I believe you, but they won't. Let's go.
But you're the one
Hush, child. Save your energy now.
I got something for you, boy.
Thank you, Uncle Kenny. That is kind.
Oh, you know I just wear it for decoration anyway.
I know where they're at. I'll go grab him in the fort, and we will have justice. Country style.
What's wrong with that guy?
We used to date.
Date, okay. I thought y'all were related.
We are.
Wait, what?
I mean, we weren't when we dated. Well, we were, but we didn't know.
How didn't you know?
We just didn't know, okay? We hadn't talked this side of the family in decades.
Oh, yeah. So, where'd you guys meet? KissingCousins.com?
We could talk about it later. But right now, we gotta figure out how to sneak you out of here. Here.
This toy gun is pretty heavy.
Don't shoot it unless you need to.
So, I'm guessing talking my way out of this isn't an option.
No, Terry. Hey, I'm gonna see if he's gone. I'm gonna scope out.
Who are you talking to, Rube?
No one.
You just moved on. Forgot about us.
Zach, stop.
Ever since Meemaw said Uncle Husband, you ain't been the same. But I still love you, Rube. And our offspring wouldn't be in danger. I Googled it.
I hate to break up this family bonding moment, but I am sick of this backwoods inbred cousin uncle fucking bullshit. Drop the knife. I'm leading us out of this hellhole.
It's strong and it's sudden. And it's cruel sometimes. But it might just save your life. That's the power of love.
Terry, wait.
It's nice seeing you, Ruby. And your lovely family.
Why don't we just get coffee next time?